Bird's Eye, formerly known as Findus, is relaunching their legendary crispy pancakes in time for Pancake Day. Tomorrow.Fans of the retro meal were left outraged when the frozen food product was discontinued back in 2016. But the snacks are now making a comeback 40 years after they first launched and will be available to buy for £1.75 in 3 different cheese flavors: mozzarella, ham and mozzarella, and tomato and mozzarella. Findus to cease making crispy pancakes. And with that January hammered the final cruel nail into its giant coffin, wrote one disappointed fan back when the product was discontinued. The crunchy frozen pancakes had been a consumer favorite in the UK since the 1970s, but were discontinued 3 years ago. And this time round, they have been given a more premium modern makeover with their golden breadcrumb crust. However, the previous popular beef filling won't be making a comeback, which has left many disappointed. And former fans of the product have taken to social media to vent their disappointment with the new flavors, with many craving the iconic mince and chicken curry fillings. Findus Crispy Pancakes are toast toppers, wrote one, while another added, "Oh my goodness. Findus Crispy Pancakes were my savior." A third even went so far as calling the new mozzarella fillings fake nostalgia and raged, "Bird's Eye have gone all shortage on us. Where's the curry or minced beef ones?" When Findus was sold to Nomad Foods back in 2015, the company also announced that meant its crispy pancakes would be going as well, prompting a wave of anger from fans of the crunchy tea staple. While some at the time even joked they would stockpile the soon-to-be rare commodity, others shared their cravings for iconic pancakes throughout the years. Findus Crispy Pancakes were an unforgettable part of childhood for many people living in the 70s, 80s and even early 90s, said Alessandro Salazzi, marketing manager at Bird's Eye. "We want modern families to enjoy the same memorable mealtime moments." Swedish brand Findus was a frozen food giant from 1945 to 2015, but took a hit during horse meat scandal that spread around Europe in 2013. In 2013, it was revealed the Food Standards Agency, FSA, found that Findus frozen lasagne contained 100% of horse meat, leaving consumers all over Europe outraged. The news made rounds all over Europe, and the brand was sold to Nomad Food 2 years later.